Robert Stanley, Australian politician. Robert Stanley, 1847, 23 August 1918, was an Australian politician representing the electoral districts of Horsham and Lowan in the Victorian Legislative Assembly for the Commonwealth Liberal. Biography. Stanley arrived in Australia in approximately c. 1867. He was a miner at Ballarat, Victoria, and in South Australia. He was a Shire councillor on Shire of Wimmera from 1890 to 1906 and served as Shire President from 1891 till 1892, and again whilst in between electoral districts from 1905 until. He was married to Mary Jane Stanley née Strudwick and fathered 5 sons and 4 daughters. He died in the Melbourne suburb of Northcote and was interred at Heidelberg Cemetery. References